is a short vowel sound. Make your lips a little rounded. Your tongue is not so far back as for oo. It's put, wolf, foot, should, good, sugar, woman, cooker, cushion, butcher. My bag's full. He would if he could. It should be good wool. The woman took a good look at the wolf. Look in the cookbook for a good pudding.